Today I'll be unboxing the D23 Event Poster Through the Years mystery pins. These were released in March of 2026 and they were available at the Disney Store for D23 Gold members only. So these were $34.99 per box and there are 2 pins in each box. So this is a 10-pin collection and the pin designs feature the different D23 Expo posters. And so the pin designs we can get here, across the top row, we have the event posters for 2009, 2011, 2013, and 2015. And then the middle row, we have 2017, 2019, 2022, and 2024. And then the bottom row, we have this year's event poster, 2026. And then we end here with the 2015 Japan event poster, and that one is a limited edition of 500. So that'd be a lot harder to get. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 6 boxes here to open up, which is 12 pins total. It would be great to finish this entire collection because I think they would look really cool on a pin board together. But the one I want the most here, I think, is the 2019 one where it looks like Mickey is inside a wave or maybe water splashing all around him. Maybe it's more like a World of Color type thing. I don't know, but that one looks pretty cool. So let's see what we get. I don't know how big these are yet either. Okay, so they're in 2 black bags. They look a little smaller than what I expected. I dropped my scissors. Let's see what we got here. And our first one is, so the back, looking at the back here, it's just a silver tone finish. It does have the little diamond Mickey head there though. That's cool. And 2 pin posts. Nice. All right. So our first one is, this is one where you have Mickey, Sorcerer Apprentice hat. I honestly cannot read the dates, so I know how they are here. Oh, this was 2024. This is the 2024 one. And this is one of the ones where on the Disney Store site, you could see bigger pictures of them. And the thing I didn't care about this one, is it just this one? And maybe the one before that is it has the Visa logo really big, like presented by Visa. But the other ones didn't say that, I don't think. So, but yeah, that's pretty cool. It's a flat surface. The D23 is bumped up. That's pretty cool. It's not a pin on pin or anything, but the D23 is bumped up. But the rest is like I don't know, like a silk screen or just the event posters kind of printed on there. All right, let's see what we get in pin 2. So we have the same back. I think all of them are going to look like that. And we have the one, it's like a light blue one. It's a Magic at Your Fingertips, D23 Expo, which is also bumped up. That is super cool. And so that is the second one, which would have been 2011. That's a pretty cool design. I like that one too. The blue is kind of really jumps out of the poster. And I love how the D23 is bumped up. That's cool. All right, so we have our 2 posters. Love that they have 2 pin posts too. Because I have the other attraction posters back here, and every time I touch the board or move it, they these ones won't do that. All right, box 2. See what we get here. And we have, we have the one I wanted. Nice. So this is the 2019, and hey, I can actually read the 2019. It's bigger font there. So it says Disney Fan Event, and we have Mickey in it. I'm saying it's a wave. It looks like waves are crashing into some rocks and he's just right in the middle. I do like this one. And the D23 is much smaller, but it is bumped up. And so is Disney. The Disney logo up top is bumped up. That is pretty cool. I like that one. We'll see if that remains my favorite after I get a close look at all of these. All right, pin 4. We have, that's this year's, right? Yeah, that's the 2026 one. That's this year. So D23, the Ultimate Fan Event, and we have Sorcerer Mickey. He's kind of up on a rock. That one is pretty cool too. And it doesn't have a big logo, a Visa logo. I think it was only the 2 that had that. All right, next box. See what we got here. Be cool to get that limited edition 500 Japan one. Let's see what we get. Oh, we have a double. We have another of the light blue one. That was the 2011. So let's see if these are packaged together. So that one came with the 2024. So let's see if we have another 2024 here. I hope not. Hopefully they're all mixed up. Let's see. Oh, it's different. We have one of the white ones. So this is the first one. This is 2009. And it says magic at your fingertips. And it looks like it's the exact same pose as the 2011 one, but it's all white. Almost looks like it's just the drawing and they didn't finish the poster, but that's kind of cool. And it says D23 Expo, which is bumped up. That is super cool. I like that one. There's another one that's white too. And it has the castle, and the castle has a bunch of characters in it. So that one would be interesting to see all the different characters in the castle. All right. And the next one is upside down. All right, let's flip it over, and it is, ooh, we have that one. That is the, is that the, is the first one we had, 2024. 2024 one, D23, presented by Visa. All right, so we have another duplicate of that. Ooh, so that is, if I'm doing my math correct, that's the only two duplicates I can have if I want to complete this. But what are the odds of completing this anyway? And we have another one of the one that I like. My favorite one here, the 2019 one. That is super cool. All right, so we have some doubles. I put that in the wrong spot. So we have, oh no, we're working on 2 rows now. So we cannot complete the collection. I didn't expect that we would, but we have 5 out of the 10, and these are no longer available. So it would be nice if we could get closer, but we'll see here. And ooh, we got the Japan one. Very cool. So we have the D23 Expo Japan 2015. This one has a lot going on. Has a writing in Japanese, but we do have a C-3PO and R2-D2 down at the bottom. And it says Star Wars, I'm guessing Star Wars Experience. Oh, I think it was like a combo one. That's pretty cool. And then it looks like Sorcerer Mickey has like a world or an orb or something, and there's a bunch of characters in there. I can't see with just holding it like this, but I think I see Elsa, maybe. That is super cool. And that is one of the limited edition 500 ones. So that is good to get because there's not as many out there. And now I've got one. So there's 499 of them out there for everyone else. All right, and that one came with, this is different. This is the other Visa one. So this would be 2022 D23 Expo. And this is the Disney 100 one. So D23 Expo is bumped up, but Disney 100 is not. And we have Mickey kind of in a little, I don't know, little magical swoosh. Very cool. So what do we have? 2, 4, 6. We have 7. So we're only missing 3. We are missing, but we're still missing that castle, the white castle. All right. Well, let's see what we got. In our last bag, we are at 7. Can we get a little closer? Let's see. Oh, well, okay. We have another Japan one. So now there's only 498 ones out there to go to everybody else. Because I've got 2 of them. Very cool. Okay, let's see. This is most likely, statistically speaking, going to be another one that we already have, but let's see what we can get. And well, we have another of the one where Mickey is in the waves from 2019. So we got 3 of those. So overall, I got 7 out of the 10, which is pretty good. That was actually much better than I was expecting. And we did get the limited edition 500. So that was good to get because I thought that would be a lot harder to get, but Actually, pretty cool unboxing. So those were the D23 event poster through the years mystery pins. Let me know down in the comments, what was your favorite event poster here? And also, did you go to any of these events? I've never been to a D23 event, but I think it would be a lot of fun to go. Maybe 2028 will be my year. My favorite here, after getting a close-up look, I think it's still the one where Mickey has kind of the water around him, but it's really close with the one from this year. I thought it was just Sorcerer Mickey standing there, but in the background, I love how there's like a little silhouette of the castle. So that one is cool. There's a lot more going on there than I originally thought. So this was a good unboxing for me, getting 7 out of the 10. I did get 5 duplicates, which is never great, but 7 out of 10. We'll take that. And so I'm only missing 3 here, and the 3 I'm missing are all in a row. So it's 2015, 2017, and 2019. So the one where he's holding his hat up, the white poster with the castle with all the characters, and then the next one where he's standing there with his hand out. And that one, I can see here that the O in Expo has a little hidden Mickey on it, which is pretty cool. So those are the 3 I need to complete this collection. And the release of these was kind of weird. So when they first came out in March on the Disney Store, they were a limit of 1 per customer. So I bought 1 box with my pin order that week. And then I could have probably just kept buying them, but I didn't know what that meant by 1 per customer. So I waited until they shipped. And as soon as I got the email that said it shipped, then the next Tuesday, I threw another box in with my pin order. And then I did that again a few weeks after that. So I ended up with 3 boxes. And then I noticed that they changed the limit to limit 10 per customer. And so then I bought 3 more boxes to get me to 6 for an unboxing video. And then these sold out really quick. So I'm guessing these are done. I don't think they're going to come back in stock, but you never know, because the only one that's a limited edition is the 2015 Japan poster. So maybe they will have more of these. I don't know. It would be pretty cool. Or maybe they'll have them at D23 this year. I don't know, but super cool posters. I think they'll look really cool all together on maybe a D23 board with some D23 logo pins that I have. So we'll see. Maybe I'll make a board of D23 pins. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.